Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing linear equations and solving distance problem. Here is fifth question. On a 130 miles trip, a car traveled at an average speed of 55 miles per hour and then reduced its speed to 40 miles per hour for the remainder of the trip. The trip took 2.5 hours. For how long did the car travel 40 miles per hour? Okay, so here given both speeds, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. First time 55 miles per hour and then reduce its speed and then 40 miles per hour, and total distance they covered 130 mile, right? And total trip uh, took 2.5 hours, right? So fast, here speed is 55 miles per hour, and then 40 miles slower. Okay, when speed reduced. Okay, time, maybe this t time, and here slower, so total time is 2.5, so obvious 2.5 minus t, right? So total time it took 2.5 hours. Okay, now we can find out distance. So rate multiply time equal distance, right? So here 55 times t, 55 t, and here 40 times 2.5 minus t. So here fast is speed, and when slow is speed, they covered 130 miles. Okay, so we will make a equation. uh, when car was fast, it covered 55 t distance, and when slow, this is 40 in the bracket 2.5 minus t, this is decimal, okay, equal 130. Okay, 55 t, 40 times 2.5, we get 100. 40 times t, 40 t equal 130. Okay, 55t minus 40t, like terms, so we can combine 15t plus 100 equal 130. Now what we will do, both sides subtract 100. So 15t equal 130 minus 100, 30. And now both side divide by 15, so we get 2. 30 divided by 15, 2. So t value is 2. Okay, so here t value is 2, and 2.5, this slower, 2.5 minus what is t value, 2, so we get 0.5. And here asking question for 40 miles per hour. So how long did the car travel 40 miles per hour? 0.5 hour. 0.5 hour, it means how many minutes? 30 minute. Okay, just half hour, it means 30 minute. So here is the answer. How long did the car traveled 40 miles per hour? The car traveled 40 miles per hour in 30 minutes. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you get it this type of sentences when given a distance problem. So very easy. You can just make a table, rate, time, distance, and use this formula: rate multiply times equal d, and then you can use here according to question. You can make equation and then solve. Very easy. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you want more questions, so please message me. I can send you a worksheet, lots of questions. So stay with me, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.